Okay, so we're going down this path of split time opposites flower patterns. And one of the ones we're going to be working with a lot is box 4-petal antispin. So I've learned in the last few years that a great way to learn or teach this, share this with somebody else, is to actually use an object. So I put a box on a stick, and that's going to be our object. But if you're showing this to somebody, you can use your fist. Put your fist out and tell the person you're showing, see the box. Fist bump. The progression goes like this. You build it up slowly, starting with two sides of the box at a time. So you start with painting the top of the box, which is pretty easy to do. Just really imagine a paintbrush, paint. And then you go top side. And you really want to see you're making as clear a stroke along the whole face of the box, top and side. You can go in either direction, top, side. I'll probably pick one direction at first, top, side. And when you can clearly see you're doing that, pick the next two sides. Side, bottom. Side, bottom. And you work your way around the box, bottom, side, until you get to side, top, and you're back where you started. When you can do two sides all the way around clearly in each direction, go to 3, where you go top, side, bottom. Top, side, bottom. Once you can do 3 sides all the way around, top, side, bottom, or side, bottom, side, or bottom, side, top, and eventually side, top, side, you're in both directions. You can graduate to doing all 4 sides. Now this might take days or weeks. Flowers really come slowly with practice. But eventually you're painting all 4 sides. So, let's see. Top, side, bottom, side, top, side, bottom, side, top, side, bottom, side, top, side, bottom, side, side, bottom, side, bottom, side, top, side, bottom, side, top, side, side, top. And you're rocking your 4-petal box antispin. Both hands, both directions. This box is bigger than it needs to be. It's the box that I had. Certainly in such a big box, you can use a doorknob, or you can use anything, or a friend's fist. And in my experience, it really does help. So dial those in, both arms, both directions, and then we will proceed into split time opposites awesomeness with all the variations of boxes and stars.